Today we got a video from Cam Stories TV, and the title of the video is When an Off-Duty Cop Ends Her Career in Seconds.
If he wasn't a fucking liar and didn't have all my belongings in here and my dog, we wouldn't have a problem. I'm calling my mother right now.
I don't care. You're under arrest.
Rebecca.
No, we're gonna go when I get all my shit. Okay, give me a second.
We're not going to give you a...
Yes, you are.
No,
I'm
not.
calling my PBA
I
rep.
don't give a shit.
I don't know who you're screaming at. What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? You're gonna fucking burn your house down next, you piece of shit.
You got another charge.
My mom might be able to take my dog. I tried calling her, but that's when Brian decided to manhandle me.
An off-duty cop thought the rules didn't apply to her. What started as a personal dispute between an ex-boyfriend and her quickly turned ugly when she chose force over judgment.
Dude.
Where is she?
That needs to be on.
Yeah, it's
She's upstairs throwing a tantrum. Okay, she's
Am I going this way?
Walked in.
Rebecca.
I'm
Rebecca.
not doing this right now.
You are. Rebecca, stop.
No,
Stop.
I'm,
Rebecca.
not, I'm getting all my shit.
I got you, but stop for a second.
No, I'm getting all my stuff.
Rebecca, stop for a second.
Like, I have a closet full of clothes here. I have all my fucking important shit here. And he wants to sit here and have a fucking random fucking bitch in here with all my belongings, thinking that what she's gonna be the new fucking parent to my dog,
All right, let's
saying that
stop.
she's gonna move in and shit. Get the fuck out
All
of
right,
here.
we're gonna stop screaming now.
I don't care. I need my phone. I'm calling my PBA rep.
All right, well, this is the problem here. You're not going. Stay up here,
No,
Rebecca.
hold on, I'm going to my
Rebecca.
car.
No, you're not,
I'm going to my
Rebecca.
car.
Rebecca,
I'm
stop.
going to my car.
Stop. She's walking up front.
This puts her colleague in such a bad spot.
Hey, was that guy trying to wave us down? No, there was another guy down there.
She's going nuts. She broke through my front door, walked in, she put her hands on her. She does not live here anymore. She lives in Tom's River. It's Rebecca Sage. She's throwing a tantrum up in my room right now. Kyle Kuhn is in there right now.
Yeah, Kyle.
I don't know if that's the best person to be handling this right now.
Okay.
And
Listen, the reason why she found out is because we have on camera a cop coming here running my plate, to be honest.
Oh, I'm not familiar with any of the situations. I found
Okay,
out about
well, I'm just letting you guys know, because this is a bigger deal than what it actually is. I'm a police officer as well, so is he. So, like, now my department's getting involved in this, so I just need everything to be documented.
she's walking out right now.
Where's her
I
car?
was scratching
Her
my
car is
head.
right here.
Her car is right here.
We're not fucking doing this. We don't need the whole fucking force here.
She's not leaving.
Watch out. Watch out.
She's not leaving. She's grabbing her phone. Is that Sarge? Yeah, Sarge. Rebecca.
She doesn't live here. She hasn't lived here for 2.5 years. She's breaking stuff. I get it. I know the sensitivity of this, but she's got to come out of my house. I just
What'd she break?
front door. The front. She broke through. She took a baton. Front door.
Oh,
Where's she at?
right there with Kyle.
She broke the
Rebecca,
glass?
Stay out here for a minute. Can you just do me a solid here and just stop making
calling my
this
brother.
Okay, stop making this harder than it's gotta be.
You need to come here right now. Because I just fucking snapped. Well, I just smashed his front door in.
Ooh, admitting it on camera? Ooh.
Smashed the front door. Oh, she's right here.
I'm right here. I'm not a problem. If he wasn't a fucking liar and didn't have all my belongings in here and my dog, we wouldn't have a problem. I'm calling my mother right
I
now.
don't care. You're under arrest.
But for what? Criminal mischief?
Yeah, and breaking in.
So criminal mischief isn't an arrestable offense.
Rebecca.
Hold on, I'm cold. First of all,
Rebecca, stop. Please stop. You're making this a lot harder than it's gotta be. Rebecca.
Even police officers gotta call their
When I
mommy.
get all my shit.
No, we're.
This is the way to handle this. You know this.
You know better than this.
Okay,
You
well,
know-
I'm calling my PBA.
You know there's nothing.
PBA
Stay here,
first.
Rebecca. Stay here.
No,
Stay
I'm
here.
getting my shit.
What? What?
Okay, give me a second.
We're not going to give you a second.
Yes, you are.
No, we're
I'm
not.
calling my PBA.
I don't give a shit.
I don't
All
know
right,
who
I
you're
don't
screaming
care.
at. What the fuck are you doing?
All right.
What are you doing? Are you fucking kidding me?
Stop resisting.
Are you kidding
Stop
me?
resisting. Stop resisting.
I am not resisting. You
Don't put
just
your hands
came
behind your
up
back.
and grabbed my fucking neck. Get off of me.
He didn't grab your neck.
Yes, he did.
Grab your arm.
No,
Take it easy.
Kyle,
Rebecca, just take a deep breath. Stop.
I'm
Stop.
fine. I was just calling my fucking PBA rep.
See, so Kyle must have a relationship with this Becca joint. I ain't gonna lie, Rebecca, because even the other off-duty cop or the other, the ex-boyfriend or whatever, he was like, hey, Kyle is in there. I don't know if he's necessarily the best one to be handling this. And the way that Kyle is talking to her is kind of like real soft. The other officers are like, they fed up. They tired of being here. The evidence is here. Let's get her locked up. Let's go. But Kyle kind of has like a soft spot for her. So I don't know if maybe something is going on with them two. Cause even the ex-boyfriend's like, Kyle is in there. I don't think he the best one to be handling it. So that is, yeah. But I like my guy right here though. The bald one. He like, I don't give a shit. Yeah, get her together. You know what I'm saying? Get her together.
He didn't grab your neck.
Yes, he did.
Grab your arm.
No,
Take it easy.
Kyle,
Rebecca, just take a deep breath. Stop.
I'm
Stop.
fine. I was just calling my fucking PBA rep. Give me my fucking phone so I can call my mother.
You can call her at the station.
No, you can give me my phone now.
Grab DV paperwork.
Yep.
I want my dog. I want my dog. Kyle, I want my fucking dog.
Kyle, remove yourself.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, something's going on with Kyle and Rebecca, for sure.
Huh?
You're gonna fucking burn your house down next, piece of shit.
Rebecca, stop talking. You got the charge. Stop talking. Please stop talking.
Get in my car.
At least my hair is nice today.
Huh?
Put it
Take her
down.
All right. Someone else want to grab this paperwork?
Yeah.
Is anyone going to meet me back at the station?
Kyle, go.
All right. So I'm patrolman's office. I don't think we ever met, but I got your phone. Is there anything else you need?
I need someone to remove my car from this place. And with my car, I need my dog. And probably the best person to call is my brother or my sister.
Okay. I'm just going to transport you.
My mom might be able to take my dog, but I tried calling her, but that's when Brian decided to manhandle me.
All right.
When I decided to try to call my mom.
When we get down to the police station, we'll
Okay.
make a call, all right?
Yep, that's fine.
All right.
Listen, I'm no video. When I'm constantly lied to and like my stuff is being withheld from me, there's only so far, like so long and so far you could go.
All right. Just let me put my gun and taser
Do
away and I'll
whatever
get you
you
in
need
there.
to do. Listen, I totally understand.
29 Berkeley, you can secure the salad port.
Wow.
Just come here. I'll explain. You're on my watch right now, so I'm just being brought in right now. What? No, I've never met him before, but I need you to come here because the one officer that was like at my old house, like manhandled the fuck out of me, like choked me out basically. Which way do you need me to go?
It's on the bench.
Oh, this right here?
Yeah. Just after that, like I'll let you talk for a second.
Yeah.
Then you just, you know.
I just need you or someone here. Like I'll call Ryan if I need to call Ryan, but I just need someone here. Yeah. Oh no.
Now, come on. You think if me and you got locked up, we would be able to talk on our Apple Watch? Come on, guys. Come on, man. This is ridiculous. He gets a phone call. You know what I'm saying? Nothing wrong with, but come on, man. This is like equivalent to her having her phone in the back and just... Come on, guys. This is crazy.
No, I've been completely fine with them the entire time. Like, I'm chill. I tried calling my mom, but that's when I got like manhandled, and so I had to hang up. I called my brother. My brother's not too happy with me right now, but I don't know if he plans on coming here or not.
While you're talking, let me get one of those cuffs off.
Oh, yeah, no, whatever you need to do, you just tell me what you need to do.
Okay, go, just do everything. You know what to do. Just do everything.
No, I know. I was literally just there to get my shit, and then I found out. I'll explain everything to you, like when someone gets here.
I'm gonna put handcuffs that aren't hinge cuffs on the bench.
Honestly, like I'm not gonna do anything. I'm literally just gonna sit here.
Yeah, no, I just
Like,
gotta.
do you just have an alcohol wipe for my hand? Yeah, I just need someone here.
I just gotta put this on the bench, so. I'm gonna have someone else just bring in.
Yeah, no, whatever you need to do, just tell me. Like, I'm telling you, I'm not gonna give you a hard time.
No, I know. You're not giving me a hard time at all.
Yeah. But yeah, so like, I definitely fucked up, but I just need one of you guys here. Okay.
The off-duty cop was arrested and charged with home invasion burglary, 2 counts of assault, 2 counts of criminal mischief, and making terroristic threats. She is presumed innocent until proven guilty.
That's crazy. And it really puts that officer in a spot. Because it's like on one end, you're trying to look out for her, because she is a fellow officer. But a supervisor is going to look at this and be like, why was she talking on her phone? Like, they're going to look at that, and he's probably going to get reprimanded for it, for sure. Like, it's a tough spot, man. Yeah, she crashed out, man. She crashed out. He ain't want her no more. He got some new shit. You know what I'm saying? had to trade her in. You know what I'm saying? Like nah, I'm just like, I know some of y'all gonna get sensitive. You talking about women as like comparing them to a car? It's jokes, guys. Relax. All right. But yeah, they relationship ain't work out. He got something new. You know what I mean? Hey, gotta move on. You know what I'm saying? And, it's just unfortunate that they're all cops and all the police departments are going to get involved, especially now that this is viral. I've been seeing this all over. Like, this is just the first time I've seen the actual body cam footage, but I've been seeing her name for like the past couple of days now. I'm like, damn, I gotta look this up, because this video wasn't even planned for today, but I just keep seeing it, and I'm like, man, how long is the video? Because I'm like, yeah, I gotta watch this, because this is crazy. Yeah, she crashed out, man, but whatever. Definitely lost your job. That's over with. That's over with. Home invasion burglary. And you admitting to stuff on the is, oh boy, you're cooked. Talk about cooked. You're cooked. Anyway, she might get let off light without no like jail time and stuff like that, but she definitely gonna plead guilty to probably some type of felony. Like, you definitely gonna get found guilty of a felony or something, and that's it. You know, your career is over. You know, so I don't know, maybe Burger King or something like that, or McDonald's, or I don't know, Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks. You know, she might good Starbucks manager, maybe. You know, I don't know, but anyway, I think the cops did a great job. They were put in a tough spot. You're stuck between a rock and a hard place, man. It's rough, you know, but her and that other cop definitely got something going on. All the officers is like, yo, remove yourself, boom, boom. Like, you don't want nothing like that. That's crazy, you know? So, I don't know. But anyway, I get the officers, man, 4 out of 5. I can't give a 5 out of 5 because of that whole Apple Watch stuff. That was ridiculous. That's ridiculous because that wouldn't happen to you or me. That's just crazy. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.